Once upon a time, in a vast desert, there was a small oasis called Mirage. The oasis was home to a group of animals who lived together in harmony, sharing the scarce resources and relying on each other for survival. Among the inhabitants of Mirage was a young fox named Akira. Akira was a curious and adventurous fox who loved to explore the desert and learn about its secrets. One day, while wandering through the dunes, Akira stumbled upon an ancient map buried in the sand. The map depicted a mysterious location marked as the Garden of Dreams. Intrigued, Akira decided to embark on a quest to find the Garden of Dreams. She gathered a group of friends, including a wise old tortoise named Kato, a playful rabbit named Zephyr, and a gentle gazelle named Lyra. Together, they set out on a perilous journey across the desert, facing treacherous sandstorms, deadly creatures, and treacherous terrain. Along the way, they encountered a mysterious stranger who offered to guide them through the desert in exchange for a promise. They had to help him find his lost love, a beautiful phoenix named Astrid. As they neared the Garden of Dreams, they discovered that it was hidden behind a magical portal guarded by a powerful sphinx. The sphinx presented them with a series of riddles, testing their wisdom, courage, and friendship. With their combined skills and teamwork, they solved the riddles and unlocked the portal. Inside the Garden of Dreams, they found a breathtaking paradise filled with lush vegetation, sparkling fountains, and vibrant flowers. However, their joy was short-lived, as they soon realized that the garden was withering away due to a dark force draining its magic. The stranger revealed himself to be the guardian of the garden and begged them to help him find Astrid, who was the key to restoring the garden's magic. Akira and her friends agreed to help, and their search led them to a hidden temple deep within the garden. There, they found Astrid, who had been captured by the dark force. They battled the darkness and freed Astrid, restoring the garden's magic and revitalizing the oasis. The animals of Mirage celebrated their victory, and Akira and her friends were hailed as heroes. From that day on, the Garden of Dreams flourished, and the animals of the oasis lived in harmony, grateful for the bravery and friendship that had saved their home.